Now it's time to come up with a short list of keywords that you want to target. How do you target those keywords? We shall actually tell you in a minute. It's basically what you include in your video description, as well as in your video title. Some keywords have an extremely high competition. You cannot expect to rank. For example, if someone type Wikipedia, but you cannot expect to rank the keyword like that. It's impossible. In fact, we are using here called ubersuggest.org. And basically the principle is very easy. What you type in something here. Also you can select country here which you want target. And hit search button. You'll get a whole bunch of keywords. Those are the most related keywords. Also you will get the keyword difficulty with keyword rate. Scroll down little to get your results. So these are the most related keywords regarding your video niche. Click View More Ideas to get whole list of suggested keywords, which you can use to boost your video SEO on YouTube. Now here the whole list of keywords will not show. You just press Copy to Clipboard button and open Notepad. Then paste into Notepad. All the related keywords will go paste into your Notepad. Here is the whole list of keywords, which you can use in your video of YouTube to boost it. Also, if you have Microsoft Excel installed, then you have the advantage little bit more, because there is CSV file which you can download. Just click on Export CSV file, and file go download into your computer. Then open it into MS Excel. At this time we don't have, so we are opening it into browser. Here you will get related keywords with all the information like search and paid difficulty of keywords, CPC, search volume, monthly clicks, etc. Let's grab some more information for you. You can see here the volume of your keyword. It's okay, here is 6,600 search volume. Remember, if SEO difficulty of any keyword will be under 30. That will be great, and I am 100% sure you can rank that keyword for your YouTube video. But also if you will get the difficulty under 40, then there is 70% chance you can rank that keyword without any difficulty. But it need little more time to rank. Paid difficulty mean you can get CPC, which is here $0.64 easily, without any extra effort for one click or one view on YouTube video. So our viewers, the easy way to grow your channel and get more views video is completed. Have peace.